The universe cards. Number 2. Satellite. Keyword: attraction. Interpretation. A satellite is perpetually kept in orbit around its planet by the strength of the planet's gravity. Gravity attracts the satellite and keeps it there. It is this power of attraction that is described by the satellite card, number 2. This is not only sexual attraction, but all forms of that mysterious power that brings people together. It is hard to say what attracts us to other people. We can say that certain traits and aspects of physical appearance make someone desirable to us, but the process is really far more complex than that. Some people just seem to pull us into their orbit through sheer charisma and strength of personality, whereas others may attract us because of beliefs or ideals that coincide with our own. If the satellite card appears in your reading, then this power of attraction is being particularly activated at the moment. The source of the attraction may be a person, an idea, a project, or a group of people. If you draw the satellite card, start by identifying what it is about the situation that is attracting you, as it may not always be immediately clear. The process of attraction often takes place at an unconscious level, and it can seem to be a complete mystery to us why a particular person attracts us. Once you have attempted to identify the source of the attraction, try to ascertain why this person or group or situation is attracting you right now. What qualities do they embody? Do you find these qualities admirable or reprehensible? We are often attracted by people who carry certain qualities that we do not acknowledge in ourselves. These people mirror the qualities back to us and can often have much to teach us. This can sometimes seem almost perverse. It is a common pattern in relationships to be attracted to the very same type of person who will cause one pain repeatedly until the lesson is learned. People can become caught in cycles of abusive relationships where they unconsciously reproduce the same painful pattern. It is difficult to watch those who we care for repeating these patterns. Obviously, it is even more difficult when we experience this situation ourselves. Consequently, it is very important to respect the power of attraction in our lives and bring it into consciousness. By honoring the mystery of attraction and examining it with honesty, we can begin to release ourselves from these painful patterns and learn the lesson that attraction is bringing to us. Try to be honest with yourselves about the situation of attraction and honor the power of this force rather than resisting it.